Hi YouTube, this is Mia Wolf 222, and today I'm going to show you how to tame your budgie or parakeet. Now today we're featuring Soren. He is already trained, and he is already trained. He's already tamed. He's already trained to step up. I'm teaching him how to talk right now, and so what you're going to do is you're going to take your budgie's food out, and you want to take it out. For 5 or 6 hours. Make sure you don't take it out too long, and you want to take a pinch in your hand, and so after you've waited 5 or 6 hours, take a pinch or food or treats. It's spilling everywhere here. And you want to open the cage and put your hand in and up to your bird. Do not chase your bird around. And be very patient, because be very patient. This could take a while. You could like watch TV or do homework or something while you're doing this, and eventually they will come up to your hand. They just have to be used to your hand and being used to you. So this is also a long process. You make sure you don't chase your parakeet around with your hand. That's not a good way to tame your parakeet. And make sure they have plenty of things. When you get a new parakeet, then you should always leave them in their cage leave them in the cage for 1 to 2 days to let them settle. They probably won't be eating still. They take a long time to adjust to their new environment. They also start taming your bird early, and it's kind of a long process, as I said. And if you have any comments or questions, or anything I need to clarify, please feel free to comment down in the comment box below. And this is Mia Wolf 222 signing off.